Hey everyone, this is Cedric Aubry, and today I'm doing a little review video about a very cool tool from one of my friend Matt Bush. This product just launched a few hours ago and it's pretty cool. So it's called Easy Magic Video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, there's a link in the description that will bring you to this page. That's my bonus page, so you can read more about Easy Magic Video. So in this video, we're gonna build together one of these spokesperson video using Todd authority on one of my page, authority or notoriety. So my goal in this video, the scenario we're gonna use the software for in this video, is to build a video for my squeeze page here, AM for newbies. So I want Todd talk about affiliate marketing and get them to opt in to my squeeze page. Okay, so right now I'm in the Easy member area, Easy Magic Video members area. So you can see I already create a few video. So it's pretty easy to create one. The first step is to, let me just go back to Easy Magic Video, the members area. So when you pick up, that's the first video you have to watch, and they have tutorial right here. I suggest you watch them. Okay, so create video, but it's pretty straightforward, I will say. So the first step is to click here, Easy Magic Video. If you already purchased some other product from Matt, because he have a whole range of product, well, you will see them here. So I will click here, Easy Magic Video. Now I want to use, like I said, Todd. I want to use Todd authority, notoriety on my own page. So to create the video, it's pretty easy. You have to assemble the clip together. So let me just click here. I will show you. So add clip. So affiliate marketing, you have all kind of category, crypto, e-commerce, Facebook, general marketing, intro, list building, make money from Amazon, PLR, membership site, MLM, proof, scarcity, all this stuff, selling t-shirt, traffic generation, YouTube marketing. But in our case, we're going to use this one, affiliate marketing. But first, the first clip I want to put, it's like an intro. So I'm going to click intro. Now I have some selection here, so I can select some of them. So let me just click this one here. And I will zoom in, so you can center, no text, text right, text only, zoom in. Okay, so for the first clip here, I want Todd's face right when the video begins, so I will zoom in on Todd. Okay, now I can put another clip here. So let's continue in the intro. So I'm just gonna select some real quick, so maybe the video will look kind of funny, but I just want to show you an example. So later I will come back and edit this video properly. But because when I will be done with the video, I have to render the video, and I want to show you the end result. So probably take a few minutes to render the video. So that's why we're gonna go pretty quick, and I'm gonna select a clip. So let's text only for this one. Okay. So now I'm going to continue. Now let me change category. I will go affiliate marketing. So did you know that it's actually possible to make a full-time income online through selling other people's products? So I will go, let's say I'm going to go back to zoom in, and I'm going to select this clip here. Let's do text right. Okay. Now that's only like 2 clicks. I can go on and on and on and add up to 20 clip, I think. But if you need more clip, I mean, you just do 2 video and you put them together at the end, so you can have 40 clips, 60 clip, 80 clip. Okay, so I will just go closing real fast because, like I said, I want to render this video and show you how the video will look like. So I just go closing here. Okay, now I want something to opt in to my page, so simply fill out the form on this page to learn more. Okay. Let me go text only for that, and I will finish with Todd's face once again. We look forward to hearing from you. So let me just zoom in. Okay. So it's only 6 clips because, like I said, I want to render this video pretty quickly, so you can see the end result. But like I said, you can add up to 20 clip here. If that's not enough, well, you do 2 video and you merge them together. Okay, so you have other option right here. So you can put a lower third. So a lower third, let's say you want to do a watermark. You want your website on all the clip. So let's say in my case, I want to put cedricaubry.com. I will use the lower third. Well, I don't want to really use the lower third for this this tutorial. So audio, you can put some audio. Let me just put some. So choose from easy. So maybe it's gonna start the audio. Let me just click this one, and I choose this one. So now if I go back and I click again audio, now I can check the volume. So I don't want the volume too loud because Todd's gonna talk. So let me just, there we go. Okay. Now I can select background. Okay. This is a little bit touchy. The first video I made, I did not quite understand, but sometimes, you know, I don't watch a training video. So you can go background. If I go background right here, okay, let me just click background. I'm going to choose from the library. So once again, I have a pro account, so I'm not sure. I think you have 60 background. But let me just take something like simple. Let's just take a blue. Okay, choose. Okay. Now I'm gonna have, since I select my background from here, I'm gonna have the background for all the clip here. Okay. If you want to change the background for all the clip, you just click here. Okay. Click here, and I can choose a background, so I can have different background effect. Okay. But like for this video, we're gonna use the same background for all the clips, so it's gonna be faster. So next step, so let's just check this video right now, okay? So I'm just gonna go save as, let's just give a title, so tester 1, save as, okay? Now next step, I will just go to render, okay? But like I said, it's only 6 clips right now. You can put as many as you want, like up to 20, or like I said, you can do 2 videos. So I'm just gonna click render. Now important, please allow time for render to complete. We are experiencing a high volume of render since they just launched, and I think already 1,500 people pick up this product. So I will just go OK, save. Now it's going to render my video. So it's on queue right now. Okay. So while this is being queued, let me just go here, training, easy magic video training. And I suggest that you watch these videos. So there's a few videos right here. I'm not sure if you have those videos here with the front-end offer. I don't think so. But there's all kind of video. You have the 3 video here, creating a video, creating the perfect video. This is pretty good since you will talk about the transition. So you don't want to always to use like the zoom in. So you want to use a zoom in, a text on the side, or no text, I mean the text only. After that you came back to zoom in, maybe Todd in the back a little bit. So this video, it's pretty cool. It will explain everything. Okay, now let me just go to my my video. We'll see maybe the video. So it's still on queue. So just a few seconds here, I'm just going to go back to my bonus page. So like I said, if you're watching this video on YouTube, there's a description below the video, which will bring you to my Easy Magic Video bonus page. So that's the page I'm on right now. If you're one of my subscribers, you're most likely already on this page. So you can scroll down, and we're going to look about the price, upsell. Okay, so that's the page. Creating a video, it's pretty easy. I just show you how to, you build your script, you choose your option, and you render the video. So what you get in Easy Magic Video, so the price and upsell, the price right now it's $27, but it will go up to $37 during the week. So the one-time offer is the Video Deluxe, it's $47 one-time fee. And let's just look here with the Pro option or the Deluxe option. They have 2 additional spokesperson, 2,000 additional video clips, 60 additional background, and 60 additional music track. With the agency, well, you have a pre-built agency website, so you can sell your video and you have 1,000 more clips. So if you're selling video on Fiverr, or you're selling a local video, well, this audio is probably good for you. And the third upsell, it's a video local. It's include 2,000 additional clips specifically for local business. And the fourth upsell, it's $19.95 per month. It's Easy Magic Video Club, and you get some new clip based on member suggestion. So with that said, I put together a huge bonus package. So if you want to scroll down the page, if you're already on the page, just scroll down. If, like I said, if you're on YouTube, just click in the description. So I put together a huge bonus package, and you get all those bonus instantly, not directly in your members area. So you get, let me just click here. So my test is finished here. So you have the bonus. So Easy Magic Video, Matt is already giving you some cool bonus, so you can download them all right here. But I'm giving you my own bonus package, and everything will be in your GVZoo account. So you just have to click. There's a link, claim Circle bonus. You just click on it, and you will be redirected to the download page to download all my bonuses. Okay. So there's 41 bonus right now, and you just have to click one of these links here, and this will bring you to the sales page. Okay. So you just pick up Easy Magic Video from this page, and you will have my bonuses. Just make sure, let me just go back here. I just want to show you something real quick. Let me just, so right now the price is $27. So you will see my name here, Cobry3045, that's my ID. So if you decide to pick up Easy Magic Video from my link, because it's a good match for your business, I mean, if you have no plan to use the software, well, just don't buy it. But if you plan to use the software, I will appreciate it if you purchase from my link. If you want some of my bonuses, well, you will get them instantly inside your GVZoo account. So let's go back to Easy Magic Video. Let me just go back to my video right here, and we're gonna look together the video I just created. So like I said, I did that pretty quickly. There's just 6 slides, but you will see the video in action. If you spend a little bit more time, well, you can create a killer video. Okay, so
I am so glad you are here. You'll want to stick around, as I promise it will be worth your time. Be sure to pay careful attention to this entire message. Did you know that it is actually possible to make a full-time income online through selling other people's products? Now think about that for a minute, being able to sell things without having to stock or fulfill it yourself. Simply fill out the form on this page to learn more. We look forward to hearing from you.
So that's what's pretty cool. You know, I create this one in what, a minute and a half. So like I said, you can create almost everything. You just use the clip. You can use it for affiliate marketing, Facebook marketing, YouTube, etc., etc. So I hope you appreciate this video review about Easy Magic Video. Like I said, you can pick up some cool bonus from my bonus page that is located right here at CiticCrazyDeal.com, Easy Magic Video. So thanks for watching, and I see you soon. Bye for now.